Getting free leads from free traffic to make money, to earn commissions, to go from 0 to 100 is the holy grail. It is what everyone is chasing. It is what people want to do. Is it realistic? Typically, these free applications, these free tools are given to you as a free trial, and you quickly realize that you need to upgrade. But you can get started for free and you can make money for free. Of course, we're talking about not paying for tools, of course, because your time is not free. And this does take time. You have to understand, you have to have a plan, focus on the plan, go after what it is you're looking for to create an audience, to build a list, and then follow up with that list to help them solve a problem. And in this video, I'm going to help you solve a problem by showing you where and how to get free traffic to a free squeeze page, to build a free email list, to promote products as an affiliate marketer, and to set yourself up to go from 0 to $100 a day in as quick as possible. First things first, you find a cool product, a product that solves a problem for the group of people, an audience. In this case, this product, First 100, is a 100% free traffic strategy, which gives you a long-term strategy with no gimmicks to allow you to build a small tribe that makes you sales. You can start fast and you can start simple, and you're interested in promoting this product. This product is being sold over at Warrior Plus on the Warrior Plus marketplace. So you go over to affiliate offers, type in the offer title, First 100, you hit search. You can see here this offer says get link. For you, it will say request. You simply click request approval, and you put some notes in here to let the vendor know how you're going to promote this product. In this case, you're going to be setting up a YouTube channel and you're going to be driving traffic to a squeeze page that we're going to set up here in this video. After you're approved, you'll now see this get link button. You'll select get link, and this will be the link right here that you will copy, that you will be sending your new leads to from your new squeeze page, which brings us to the first free tool to utilize our free traffic source, which is YouTube, and that is GetResponse. There's a link in the description to get this free account. And the first thing you're gonna do is set up a landing page. You can build it from scratch, but you can also utilize the templates. And typically this is what I recommend for everyone, because when you're just beginning or you're just getting started, finding or figuring out how to do graphics and images is very challenging. Of course, there is a free tool that I mentioned at the beginning of the video that everyone uses, that most people don't realize how powerful it is, which is called Canva. And with this tool, you can create just about any of the images that you need, and you can do it for free. I just wanted to mention that to make sure that you remember as you're moving through this and thinking about the free tools that you're going to be using. You don't want to lose any more time than you have to trying to find free solutions, but this is the way you move through this actually building your list or going from 0 to 100. And in this case, we're going to use this template right here. So we're going to select template. We're going to enter a landing page name. We'll call it First 100. It's going to load up, or the monster is going to load up your template over at GetResponse. And here you can see this template is laid out to promote marketing products. In this case, Marketing Pro Bootcamp. This is going to be an image that you'll either need to replace or edit. In this case, we'll just go ahead and simply delete. But again, you could go back to Canva and you could use this to create a logo of your own if you're looking for a logo. If you're dead set and you have your heart on creating a logo, you can go through here and you can spend some time. In my opinion, at this stage, it is a waste of time. I just want to let you know that you don't need to go spend money on a logo. You can create something that would serve the purpose here inside of Canva. Again, we're focused on free tools, getting started for free. We're just going to delete that. And here, learn effective marketing tactics from experts. In this case, we're going to go back to the First 100 product and we're going to swipe the headline from their sales page, and we're just going to copy that. We're going to go back to GetResponse, and we're just going to paste that in right there. Of course, we may have to change this a little bit to get it to fit, which means we need to change up the font. And then at that point, you're simply just going to go and you're going to edit this. In this video, you'll learn how to reinvent your company's marketing strategy. Again, back to the First 100, you simply just want to go through the sales page and you want to see what the offer is. For example, so here's what we've got for you. This lays out exactly what is in the training or what or why the First 100, and you can simply just grab these bullet points. Come back here and simply edit these and add these bullet points in. And you can see here, you can just edit this, drag and drop. It's a text editor. And then what you're doing here is you're getting people onto your list. In this case, what you're doing is you're providing them information on a proven formula that is going to be revealed to them on how to get their first 100 quality email subscribers with 100% free traffic. You're going to highlight some bullets from the sales page, and then you're going to give them a free video, which of course are the videos that you're making over on YouTube. Before we go any further with this setup, let's understand what it is we're building and what we're doing. There's people on the internet. Those people are your audience. That is what equals traffic. People on the internet that are going to become your audience, and the traffic that you're going to get over to your landing or squeeze page that you're building for free over on GetResponse. You're going to have those people opt in to join your email list to allow you to follow up with more content that has affiliate links on your YouTube channel, on your Facebook pages, profiles, groups, on your blogs, etc. And the idea here is to get them over to the sales page where you can earn an affiliate commission when they make a purchase. Of course, this landing or squeeze page here, once they opt in, we're going to send them over to the sales page or a thank you page to get them to the sales page and make a purchase based upon the information that you give them. Again, with content that you're going to be creating, in this case, using YouTube to find the people on the internet that are your audience, that have a problem that you have a solution to, that become the traffic to this free squeeze page and this free video that is going to show them how they can get access to the proven formula that reveals how they can get their first 100 quality email subscribers with 100% free traffic. And at this point, all you're going to do is keep moving along by going to the mobile version, making sure that the mobile version is okay. Okay, let's go to mobile. Here, you're just going to want to check this. And you're going to want to make sure that this looks decent, lines up. And in this case, we'll just continue on to the next step and we'll go ahead and say save. That'll tell you to please wait for a bit. It's going to process that in the background, and then we're going to move on to the next step. Here it says continue with mobile version. The issue here is now you are working on your thank you page. So just return to the editor. And now you are working on your thank you page. It's still here in mobile. Go ahead and select the desktop to take it back to the desktop. And here you can see that you have the Marketing Pro Bootcamp logo again. Again, you can go back to Canva and create a logo if you really need one. But what I'm going to say at this point is just go ahead and delete that. And here you're going to double click on this and you're going to embed your movie URL, which is going to be just like it says here, the movie URL that goes to YouTube. You're simply going to create a YouTube video like the video you're watching now. You're going to record yourself covering how and what is inside of the proven formula that is the first 100 based upon a sales page, or better yet, by buying the product and then going through the product and letting people understand and know that the first 100 will give them 100% free traffic strategies. You don't need to create your own product. The focus is on getting quality subscribers. There's no gimmicky crap in here. It's a long-term strategy that's going to allow you to build a small tribe that makes sales, and you can start fast and simple. And if you scroll down, you're going to see the complete course breakdown and some more things that are going to happen when you pick this up. And the fact that when you pick up First 100, you will learn how to go from 0 to 100 email subscribers on your email list, as well as some frequently asked questions. And today you can pick this up for a low, low price of $34. And you simply just link out to a YouTube video, which you'll get from your channel simply by going down to content. Once you start creating the content to lead people over to your sales page, to your squeeze page, to actually build that email list, you'll simply go under content and simply just pick one of the videos that you create. And yes, you'll need to create more than one video, and you'll just select options and you'll get a shareable link that will embed the video right there. And you can see here, we hope you find this video helpful. Click here for more information. Watch more videos. We'll take that off because we're going to double click here and we're going to add a link. So we go back to Warrior Plus and we get our affiliate link, or you get your affiliate link, you copy that link, you come back and you paste that link URL in right there. And you'll see here that'll open in a new tab. You select OK. Here you can check out the mobile. You can make sure that that looks good. We're good to go with that. We'll go ahead and we'll save that. Then we'll move on to the next step. And the next step is to save your landing page. And you simply come down and you say publish. And you're going to see the issue here that you have when you're using free tools. Upgrade to continue. This action is only available in paid accounts. The reason that this is only available in paid accounts is because I only get one landing page with my free account. If you come over to landing pages, you'll see here that this one is published. So it's not that you can't have multiple landing pages or build them. You can simply only publish them. So unpublish this one. And once that is unpublished, simply publish this one. And then once that's published, you'll see here, this is your link, and you can click on that link. It's going to load up the squeeze page, the free squeeze page using GetResponse, using the free account, link in the description. And what's going to happen here is they're going to come down, they're going to fill in their name, they're going to fill in their email, they're going to click watch now. It's going to take them to the thank you page. On that thank you page is going to be the video where you're going to show them all the details of the product that you're promoting, in this case, First 100, and they're going to click here for more information. And you can see down there in the left-hand corner, that is your Warrior Plus affiliate link. They click that button, it redirects them over to the First 100 sales page. They follow along in the sales page. They have taken the information that you've given them and they know 100% this is the product for them. They're ready because you've given them all the information they need. They scroll down, they hit the frequently asked questions, they whip through those, and they click here to start their journey, and you earn an affiliate commission. All right, cool. I hope this video was helpful. And I hope now you understand why these tools are free, the limitations that are imposed upon you when you sign up for these free tools. They will allow you to get started, to see how the tool works, to experience actually going out, setting up, getting traffic from the free traffic source we talked about in this video, building an email list, or starting to build that audience to help them solve their problem so they get what they want and you get what you want, which is to earn affiliate commissions from those products that help them solve their problems. And with that, if you have any questions, that is what the comments section is for. Ask in the comments. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Talk to you later.